Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Crisscross is a superb tobacco for rolling or pipe packing. Produced in America, it is a smooth, mellow tobacco available in a variety of flavors. It is not by accident that Crisscross is one of the most cherished pipe tobacco blends available.
Let's help you make your mark.
Marlboro, a brand synonymous with high-quality tobacco, has a hand-rolling range. The 30 GM Marlboro Gold Fine Cut is one of the finest hand-rolling tobaccos on the market. Priced in range with the top-selling hand-rolling tobaccos, this 30 GM pouch is perfect for a smooth American blended smoke.
Take our lead.
Let's take a look. West White. Tar 2 mg. Nicotine 0.2 mg. Glamour Super Slims Amber. Tar 1 mg. Nicotine 0.2 mg. Davidoff 1. Davidoff 1 Slims. Tar 1 mg. Virginia Slims Super Slims. Tar 1 mg. Winston Essence White Mini. Imperial Tobacco. Pall Mall Super Slim Silver. Tar 1 mg. Camel 1. Tar 1 mg. Marlboro Filter Plus 1. Tar 1 mg.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.